The pound versus US dollar is trading to new session lows and in the process of approaching the low price from yesterday, the low price for the week. I'll talk about that in this video. So let's get started. Looking at the hourly chart of this currency pair, the week started with the price initially moving a little to the upside. That move to the upside was quickly thwarted, and the price moved down on Monday's trade down to the 100-hour moving average. On Tuesday, we moved down to the 200-hour moving average, the green line in this chart, traded above and below that level toward the end of the day. And then in trading yesterday, we moved below the 200-hour moving average and then held resistance against that moving average in trading at the high price during the New York session late yesterday. You can see it right here, and that helped to push the price into the close and then into the Asian session lower where the price found support against this swing area right through here, which was more or less a swing floor right through this whole area right through here until the price broke below that level, traded above and below it since that time. We saw the momentum increase to the downside yesterday, falling below that area, but then bounced off of it after and moved up to that 200-hour moving average before moving back down into the area in the early Asian session to trading here today. But over the last few hours, we've seen the price extend below this swing area, down below the 1.3323 level, and we're moving closer to the low price that we saw yesterday, 1.33049. If we get below that level, then it opens the door for a look toward the low prices that we saw in trading last week and trading the week before between 1.3247 and 1.3259. But first things first, we need to make a new low for the week. The risk now for traders is for a move back above this swing area. It would take a move above that level at 1.3341 to dissuade the sellers, to give the buyers some hope that the move back toward the moving averages, the 100 and 200-hour moving average, would be in the cards or potentially in the cards if we're able to stay above that level. If we can't get above that level, however, the bias remains to the downside with these lows targeted. So that's my look at the sterling versus US dollar. My name is Greg Michaelowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.